Hello my dear student, welcome back to the class. So you all know that in previous class we have completed till question number 7 of exercise 1.3. So in this class we are going to continue the chapter 1 integer, that is exercise 1.3. So before that, I hope you remember I have given you the homework that from exercise 1.3 number 5 G and H. I have given you the homework using suitable properties which you have to solve. So before starting the exercise, before going further into the exercise, let us solve this question first. Okay, so here is the question. Minus 17 into minus 29. Using certain properties you have to solve the equation. Okay, solve the problem, right? So here I am going to use we will solve using distributive law of multiplication over addition. So in previous class I have discussed about this property, so I hope you remember this. Let me write the formula first. A into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. This is nothing but when I open this, we will write this form in this equation. Okay, so you must be confused. A is here, b is here, but where is c? We are going to make c now. We're breaking this number. Okay, so how we will break? Which number we are going to break? Minus 17. This is bigger number, so let us break this number, or let us distribute this number. Okay, let us do this. Minus 30 plus 1, we can write as minus 29 can be written as minus 30 plus 1, because when you solve this you'll get 29 only. No problem with that, right? So what we are going to open this. So you got this a into b plus c. Now we are going to write this form, a into b, that is a is here minus 17, b is here minus 30, right? This is your a into b plus now your a into c, right? So a is here minus 17 and your b and your c is here 1. So to clear this, let me write, this is your a, remember, just watch this properly. Okay, a, and this is your b and this is your c, right? Now your a is 17, b is your minus 30 and c is 1. In this form I'm writing a into b plus a into c, right? This formula I'm writing. I have expanded this formula here. and I have made this form. And okay, so now let us solve. What will be 17 into 30? It is minus is there, so it will be plus 510, right? Plus 510 plus inside the bracket, let me solve this, minus 17, isn't it? This will be the form. So 510 minus 17 is equal to 493. I hope you are clear with this, right? 17 into 30, when you multiply you'll get 510. 17 into 1 minus 17, because minus into plus is minus. Here minus into minus is plus. Rule of multiplication is there, right? Sorry for this. Okay, I hope with this you are clear. 493. Okay, let us solve number H question. So your number H is this. So H is this. So we will use distributive law of multiplication over addition. Okay, we will use this property to solve, but we know that this is our formula, a into b plus c. When you expand this, you'll write a into b plus a into c. We could have considered this as a, this as b, and this as c, right? We can do that, but see one thing here. A is, if you consider a as 57, right? If you consider a as 57 and b as minus 19, c, according to this should be 57. But how is it possible that if a is 57, how is that possible we can write c as 57? It is not possible, right? So here is a trick. Okay, don't do anything, whatever is there. Okay, you have to use certain trick to solve this. Here what we are going to do is minus 57 is there. Let me write it in a clear way. This is your explanation. Okay, we are going to use the property of distributive multiplication over addition only. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is I will be taking 57 as a common plus 57 as a common. So when I do this, it will be minus 1 into minus 19, because I'm taking 57 as common from here, so it should be minus 1, no? 57 minus 1 is minus 57, so into 19, it should be the same, but from here it should be the 1. Okay, now I hope you are clear. Now what we can do, 57 minus is plus, 19 plus 1, isn't it? I'm taking this as a whole together. Now minus is plus, so 19 1 is 19, plus is there and 1 is there. Now 57 we have, again I'm repeating this if you are not clear. Just see, I can take minus 57 common if suppose here it was minus 57, here it is plus 57, so I cannot take minus 57. Okay, so I have to take plus 57 as a common, so I'm taking plus 57. Here both the numbers are same, so I'm taking 57 as a common. So if I take common, it will be minus 1, है minus 57 into 1 is minus 57, and then the remaining one, it is whatever the remaining, you'll write that, plus here we already have taken common here, so 57 1 is 57, isn't it? In such a way only common are taken. So minus is plus, 19 1 is 19 and plus 1. Okay, 57 into 20, isn't it? So 19 plus 1 is 20. 57 into 20, what is the answer? It is 1140. I have calculated and took this answer out. Okay, even you do this, calculate and get the answer. I hope you are clear with this. So if such things are there, you have to do in such manner. Okay, don't do anything whatever is there. We have this form, we have to make in this form, right? It was already in this form, but what we have to do is C and A cannot be the same value, right? A should be different value, B should be different, and C should be different. Okay, so think about that also and try to expand this and get the answer. Okay, I hope you are clear, right? So with this we are over with G and H, which was home assignment of exercise 1.3. So let us proceed to the next one, number 8. This was also a home assignment, right? So let us understand what is the question trying to say. A cement company, okay, there is a cement company which earns a profit of rupees 8. They are earning rupees 8 profit per bag whenever they are selling a white cement. In one bag they are earning rupees 8. Okay, remember that. Whenever they are selling one bag of white cement, they are earning profit of rupees 8 and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. But whenever they are selling grey cement, okay, whenever they are selling grey cement, they are having a loss of rupees 5. In white cement they are having profit of rupees 8, and in grey cement, whenever they are selling grey cement, they are having a loss of rupees 5. Remember this question. So now taking the idea of this, you have to solve number A question. What is number A question? The company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? So you have to find, after selling 3000 bags of white cement and after selling 5000 bags of grey cement in a month, what will be their profit or loss? So you have to solve this in a systematic way. It is very, very easy. Everything is given in the question. You just have to take the concept of the integers, what we have done in a previous question also. Taking that concept, we will solve this question. Okay, let us have a look. On selling white cement per bag, company was earning profit of rupees 8. and on selling grey cement per bag, company was facing a loss of rupees or earning a loss of rupees 5. Okay, so your question is, if in a month, if they are selling 300 bags of white cement and 5,000 bags of grey cement, if they are selling this, then what is the profit or loss? That is, you have to find. For that, what we will do is, we will consider, okay, we will consider the profit as a positive integer and a loss as a negative integer. Okay, so let us do this. Let the profit be considered, as positive integer and loss as a negative integer. So we can do this. No, positive means something is getting increase, that is profit, right? Profit means you are earning, positive sign is there, and negative, something bad is happening or something loss we are facing, isn't it? So this is we can consider. So according to the question, 300 bags they are selling per month of white cement, and 500 bags of grey cement they are selling. So according to the question, what we can write is, cement company was facing a profit of rupees 8 in one bag of white cement, right? Cement company earns a profit on selling one bags of white cement is equal to rupees 8. In per bag they were earning 8 rupees. So therefore what we can write, cement company earns a profit on selling bags, 3,000 bags of white cement. In one bag they are earning rupees 8. So if they sell 3,000 bags, how much they are going to earn? Rupees, how much? 3,000 into 8, isn't it? So your answer will be 24,000. So while selling 3,000 bags of white cement, they are earning 24,000. Okay, so it is 24,000. So let us solve for the grey cement now. Loss on selling one bag of grey cement is equal to rupees 5. Am I correct? Rupees 5? No, it should be rupees minus 5, because loss was indicated by negative integer, isn't it? And profit was indicated in positive, so we didn't write any sign over there because it was indicating profit, positive sign. But in case of loss, it is representing negative. So on selling one bag of grey cement, they were facing a loss of minus 5, right? So if they are selling, then how many bags of grey cement they were selling? They were selling 5,000 a bag. So loss on selling 5,000 bags of grey cement is equal to rupees 5,000 into minus 5 is equal to rupees minus 25. Let me write this minus here. Okay, minus should be in front. So 25,000 is the loss. So we have to find, our question is, what is their profit or loss? We cannot say till now they were facing a loss or a profit. So here we have to calculate total loss or profit earned by the cement company. We don't know what is their loss or profit, right? So we have to calculate. First of all, we have calculated for the profit plus loss. This is our formula. So what was the profit we got? We got a profit of 24,000 first, and in the second we faced a loss of rupees 25,000, right? So our answer is 24,000 minus, plus minus is minus 25,000, right? So minus rupees 10, it is 1,000, right? So whenever you solve this, so what is this, profit or loss? Negative integer was for loss or a profit? It was for a loss. So thus we can write a loss of rupees 1,000 will be incurred by the company, that is, or faced by the company. Okay, so they are facing a loss. So now I hope you have understood. They are facing a loss of because they are selling 5,000 bags of grey cement, which was on loss, right? So 5,000 into 5 is minus 25,000, minus I have written here, okay, into 25,000. So now we have to find they have faced a loss or a profit by the cement company. So this is the formula. First of all, we have calculated for profit, then loss, plus, because we are calculating the total loss or a profit, so minus, the value came in minus after calculating it, then minus indicate for the loss. So we can write a loss of rupees 1,000 will be incurred by the company, okay, or faced by the company. So this is your answer. So this is our number 8B question. What is the number of white cement bags if it must sell to have neither profit nor loss? If the number of grey bags sold is 6,400 bags. So this is quite tricky one, but it is very, very easy. Just do not jump the step, okay? Do follow the steps which I am doing, okay? Do not jump it, because whenever you will jump the step, you will be confused. You will be confused, okay? So do step by step. The process is quite tricky. The process is quite maybe lengthy, but don't jump. I suggest you that. Okay, let us have a look. What is the number of white cement bag? How many number of white cement bags should be sell to have neither profit nor loss? Agar, if the number of grey bag, if you are selling is 6,400 bag, if you are selling 6,400 bags of grey bags, then what should be the number of white cement sold to have neither profit nor loss? We don't know how much white cement. So in the previous question, what we did, we have let the profit be in positive integer, right? हम लोगों ने we have considered profit as a positive integer and negative, and loss as a negative integer, right? Negative integer, we have considered this. So we are going to consider this similarly, okay? So according to the question, we know that on selling one bag of white cement, the company was having rupees 8 profit, right? So on selling one bag of white cement, they were having rupees 8 profit, rupees 8 as a profit, right? But now the question is, how many white cement should be sell to have neither profit nor loss? So we don't know, so we are going to let the number of white cement bags be X. We are letting this white cement bag be X to have neither profit nor loss, okay? So then in the next part, what we have, grey bags. So cement on selling, okay, then cement company X bag, we don't know how many bags, no? So let us solve this first. On selling X bags of white cement, they should have how much profit? X into 8 is equal to rupees 8x, right? He should have a profit of 8x. And in the next step, we are proceeding now to the gray bags, okay, of cement. So on selling 1 bags, company was having rupees 5 as loss, right? This is according to the question. It is given in the question. So if they are selling 1 bags of gray, sorry, I forgot to write here 1 bags of gray cement, okay, gray bags or gray cement. If they are selling, they are having a loss of 5 as loss, okay. So if they are selling how many bags? If they are selling 6400 bags, if they are selling 6400 bags, okay, I forgot to write here -5 because loss was denoted by minus, no? Do not forget that, rupees -5 as the loss, right? So on selling 6400 bags, they will have loss of how much? They will have loss of 6400 into minus rupees 5. So the answer is minus 32,000. Still the process is not complete, okay? Still you have not got the answer. So now, according to the question, company must sell to have neither profit nor loss. How many bags of white cement? We have not found that. We have to find that, isn't it? So to have neither profit or nor loss, so company must sell, right? Company must sell to have neither profit nor loss. So whenever the profit plus loss is there, according to the question, there should be no profit, no loss. Yeah, this should not have no profit, no loss. After selling profit, after selling loss, there should be no profit, no loss. So what was our profit? 8x, right? What was our loss? Here minus, so it is minus 32,000, right? Is equal to 0, isn't it? So what we can, so after selling profit and loss, there should not be neither profit nor loss. That is 0. You should we don't have anything in our hand, so that indicates it is 0, right? So what we can do here, 8x minus 32,000 is equal to 0, because plus minus is minus. 32,000 is equal to 0, right? So I hope I hope you remember that we solved in the previous question in the previous class. I don't know in which class we have done this, but we have solved this. Okay, whenever we are going to bring this equals to here, it will be like this. The sign is going to change. Minus 32,000 will be converted into plus 32,000, right? Whenever there is equals to sign, you will write this, or you'll write or. Okay, so x is equal to 32,000 divided by 8. We can bring like this. Your 8 can become as a denominator now, because this is outside equals to. So now whenever you divide, 8 4s is 32, and how many zeros are there? 3 0. So x is equal to 4,000. Actually this is the answer. So now how many bags the company should sell? Therefore company or instead you can write the 4,000 bags of which cement? White cement have neither profit nor loss. So the company should sell 4,000 bags of white cement in which they will neither have profit nor loss. Okay. So student, I hope you are clear with number 8A and B, right? So after the completion of this, let us proceed to the number 9 of exercise 1.3. So here what we have to do, we have to fill in the blank. Okay, replace the blank with an integer to make it a true statement. You have to put something. Right now we have solved in number 8 question, right? In number 8 what we did of number B, that we have taken something, the number of bags of white cement be X, no? So we will solve this problem also in a similar way, that the missing number we will put as a X, then we will solve that. Okay, let us have. So this is our question, right? So what I have told you to put this X in this filling, fill in the blank one. Okay, let the missing number, let us write missing number. We don't know what is that number, right? This number is missing, so we are writing the missing number or integer. It's better you write integer because we are solving the chapter 1. The name of the chapter is integer, so let the missing integer be X. Okay, so in place of this we have to put X. Minus 3 into X is equal to 27. Okay, so now minus 3 into X is minus 3X is equal to 27. So what we can do next is, keeping X over here and minus also over here, let keep this 3 as a denominator. We can do this because 3 into X is 3X. We can keep this down. We did in the previous sum, isn't it? So 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. So minus X is equal to 9 and X is equal to minus 9, right? So this minus will come here, right? So in place of this, fill in the blanks, we'll put this, and just see here it is correct or not. You have to cross check it whether it is correct or not. 3 9s is 27 and minus into minus is plus, so it is, the answer is correct. So here is number B question. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to do in a similar way what we did in a previous question, that let the missing integer be X. Okay, we don't know whether it is positive integer or whether it is negative integer. That we are going to solve. Okay, just see it carefully what I am doing. Okay, if you have not understood the previous one, try to understand within this one. Okay, so 5 into, in place of this blank state you will find, you'll put X minus 35, right? Then 5 into X is 5X is equal to minus 35. Okay, now X will keep it there, then minus 35, the 5 will come down. Don't keep this 5 over here opposite of X. Okay, do not do that. Okay, that will be incorrect. So 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35, X is equal to minus 7. Okay, this is the value of the missing number, that is missing integer is minus 7. Just cross check it. 5 7s is 35 and plus into minus is minus, right? So your X value is minus 7. Okay, let's solve number C. So this is the question number C. You have to do in a similar way what we did in the previous A in B. Let the missing integer be X. Okay, we are relating this missing integer. Okay, the blank one be X. So keep it here X. This is multiply, minus 8 is equal to minus 56, right? Do not forget to put equals to sign. And 8 in X into minus 8 is minus 8X, because plus into minus, minus X into 8, 8X. Okay, is equal to minus 56. So here the crucial step which we have not talked about, which we have not discussed in a previous class. If you have minus and minus opposite, that is across the boundary, that is opposite to each other, if you have in between equals to, if there is minus sign, if you have, then you can cancel this minus. Okay, so you can, now nothing is there, no sign is there, because already we have cancelled it because it is opposite to each other. Okay, so x is equal to 56 by 8 we can write. This 8 will become a denominator, which we are solving this in a previous sum also. So 8 ones are 8, 8 sevens is 56, so our x value is 7, right? So in place of here, if you write 7, our cross check it whether it is correct or not. 7 8 is 56 and plus into minus is minus. Okay, so this is your answer and this is correct. Okay, so student, we have completed till number C, right? Till number C, 9C of exercise 1.3. So I want you to do number D of exercise 1.3. You will do in a similar way, on what we have, on what manner, on what process, what idea we have done, you will do in such a way number 9D. Okay, so see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy, and do not forget to practice. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you everyone.